Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how to make Instagram story icons smaller. But before moving forward, first make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now, let's begin. Open your Instagram and see if your story icons are of normal size or way bigger than normal. If yes, then I'm gonna show you a few steps that may help you resolving this issue because directly there is no way you can make your Instagram story icons smaller. So what you can do is open your profile, tap on the three dash menu icon and then go to settings. Scroll down a little and tap on help and then go to report a problem. Report a problem. Now here type your problem briefly and submit it to Instagram. You can also attach a screenshot of your problem. This is the one thing. Now go back and open your home screen. Open the settings of your phone. Go to apps and permission and then select app manage and select Instagram. Now go to storage and clear data, clear cache. Once it's done, go back and uninstall the Instagram app. Then go to your Play Store and install the Instagram again and check if your problem is resolved or not. So everyone, these are few ways of how you can make Instagram story icons smaller. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.